Kia is preparing for a major push in the sport utility vehicle market with the 2027 Telluride and the upcoming next-generation Sorento Hybrid. While the two vehicles target slightly different buyers, they share a common goal: offering more efficiency, more technology, and more capability without sacrificing the practicality families expect. The biggest news comes from the all-new 2027 Telluride. For the first time, Kia is offering its popular three-row sport utility vehicle with a hybrid powertrain. This move reflects growing demand from customers who want the space and versatility of a large family vehicle while reducing fuel costs and extending driving range. The new Telluride Hybrid combines a turbocharged engine with electric assistance to deliver a combined 329 horsepower and 339 pound-feet of torque. Kia estimates fuel economy of up to 35 miles per gallon combined, an impressive figure for a vehicle of this size. Even more impressive is the projected driving range of up to 600 miles, making long road trips more convenient with fewer fuel stops. Beyond efficiency, the Telluride receives a larger footprint, additional interior space, updated styling, and new technology throughout the cabin. Drivers can expect larger digital displays, improved connectivity features, advanced driver assistance systems, and a more refined interior experience. Off-road enthusiasts will also appreciate the continued availability of X-Line and X-Pro models that add rugged styling and enhanced capability. While the Telluride is grabbing much of the attention, the future of the Kia Sorento Hybrid is equally important. Industry reports indicate that Kia is developing a new generation, Sorento expected to arrive around 2027. Although official specifications have not yet been released, expectations are high for a more spacious cabin, additional cargo capacity, improved technology, and a more advanced hybrid system. The Sorento has traditionally served as the bridge between compact and full-size sport utility vehicles, offering 3 rows of seating in a more manageable package. The next-generation model is expected to build on that formula while incorporating design cues inspired by Kia's latest vehicles, including the new Telluride. For buyers comparing the two models, the choice may come down to size and priorities. The Telluride will likely remain the premium family-focused option with maximum interior room and stronger towing capability. The Sorento Hybrid is expected to appeal to buyers looking for better efficiency and easier maneuverability while still providing family-friendly versatility. Together, these two sport utility vehicles highlight Kia's strategy for the future. Rather than forcing customers to choose between practicality and efficiency, Kia is working to deliver both. As hybrid technology becomes increasingly important in the North American market, the 2027 Telluride Hybrid and the next-generation Sorento Hybrid could become two of the brand's most significant vehicles. For families planning their next vehicle purchase, the coming years may offer some of the most compelling Kia sport utility vehicles yet. With improved efficiency, updated technology, and more refined designs, both the Telluride and Sorento appear ready to continue Kia's momentum in one of the industry's most competitive segments.